What'd you do?
I was reading a dog. Oh, I told picture in bed.
Tell Grandma to come back?
Hey, look at the bed.
So you're going to try and get her to come back? Oh my gosh!
I did!
You did it! Oh my Oh. Oh no, do you know how to get her back again? Oh my gosh, he knows what button to push.
Hello?
Grandma, he knows what button to push to call you.
You're kidding me.
I turned it off and he came over and turned it back on.
You're kidding me.
Brody, do the happy dance. Are you happy?
Oh, you... Did you do it, buddy? Did you call Grandma?